What's up, everybody? And today we are in the brand new Scary Baboon update. It's called the Toxic update, and I've already seen the lobby. It's insane. So let's just get straight into it. Oh, by the way, this is my summer fit, our summer outfit. Tell me if you like it in the comments. So let's go. Hospital Toxic. Wait, hospital? Why does it say hospital though? Wait. If I go into... Oh my god, I already know. The hospital sewer... Yup. I have been waiting for this update! Have changed. Careful while exploring this. Supposedly the sewers can flood. And ghosts may haunt the hospital now. Many improvements, including a total settings overhaul. Wait, what? New limited time mutant bundle with an attack rat item and lots of gold. There are also tons of new items to unlock, so new tech tree items, I guess. That's a really cool bundle. Log in today, so grab me, let me just do that 1 second, my bad. I can just grab me. Just pull it out and then bazinga. So toxic. I already got this when I just joined Scary Baboon, but sewers mat. Wait, sewers mat. So pretty. So these are some new. The entire map of sewers and hospital. Guess probably so. There's a brand new big flashing. A chainsaw. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I also unlocked this water gun. Hey, Pibble, take a shower. They have to add back the thing where if you touch him, he does. I am Pibble. Anyways, back to the video. Hold up. Do I have... Yeah, I have snap turn. I don't really like it. Use left Oculus button to open the settings menu. Whoa! So this is the settings and menu that you use for rooms. These are all of my friends. Oh, cover it up. Cover it up. Okay, allow friends request. No, I don't. Hidden to friends. No. Turning move. Oh, I'm just. Okay, wait, we can choose to respawn? That's a really good feature if you're stuck. So, if I got stuck in the wall, which I usually do, I could just go into the menu and press yes. Then I'd be unstuck. Okay, which one should I do first? Oh, I'm sorry, this music's too good. Okay, anyways, subscribe if you think I should do hospital, and like if you think I should do sewers. I think you chose to subscribe, so let's go to hospital. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! This is so much more different. Whoa! Hospital. Baboon Hospital. Entrance. Let's go ahead. So where are the ghosts? Because apparently there are ghosts.
Bro, did they just on the top
There's
floor?
Elevators?
Everyone get in the elevator. Come on, Chad, get in the elevator.
Get in the elevator.
I'm about to do all you.
Get in the
elevator.
I'm gonna let you pick
I'm
up.
about to fall again, I know
Over
it.
here, look good enough.
I did all No!
I fell.
Guys,
on me.
Okay. Guys, I got deal about the monster one. No,
You forgot
Wait, where's the monsters? I'm pretty sure they changed. I'm pretty sure they changed all the models.
Little Timmy, what are you doing?
What in
I
the...
got deal about the monster ones. No!
What
Okay,
is
touch the
happening?
I went to the other elevator. Quit this. Ah, you kidding me. Hold up.
It's
on top of the elevator.
I'm stuck. Help! Help me!
Oh my god.
Time to
what?
kill someone.
Whoa.
Come here.
Where's the guy that plays MSN?
Let me out of
What is
here.
that?
Help!
I hear the
Oh, I
monsters.
got out.
No,
No,
but I can't see them.
Help! I can't get out of here.
I hear them, but I can't see them. No!
You are mine.
This is
Bye-bye.
terrifying.
You about to get crushed, all you.
ghost was a... What the flip?
Bye-bye, all you about to get crushed.
No,
Please tell me they're
I'm
not down here.
stuck.
Please tell me they're not down here. What the heck? What? What?
Don't leave me here.
Wait, sewers! I can go to sewers right now. No, we have to explore more.
Diddle again.
I got diddle trap.
You did. Who did got diddled?
Whoa! Where are they? Oh my! Is that a ghost? They changed the models. Whoa! Guys, he's right out there.
Go, guys, hey.
Oh my god!
Guys, what?
Don't go to the highest floor. Do not go to the highest floor. Oh,
There's
my
two
bad.
monsters up here.
Yeah, both of
There's
them.
two
I'm pretty
monsters
sure.
up here.
I'm pretty sure there's only two from what I remember from the OG.
So why are we up here again?
Yay!
No, what can I do?
No!
Can I go for this?
Hey.
I can go. Yo.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to dip. Hey.
Ah. Oh.
Don't hold it.
No.
Get on
No.
the ceiling! It's actually here right now.
Not Google.
Hi!
Personalized not Google.
It's Ken, bro.
Go!
This
He
game
doesn't look
cannot.
like that. Google that much.
Guys, I got diddle.
The goat. That kind of looks like Babu, but Babu's white and not blue. So.
This game is so goofy.
No, you don't.
I'm saying hi to the ghost.
You're in the wrong game.
Hello.
You're gonna die.
Hello. Hello. The ghost can kill you. Damn.
Okay.
I just look close to you. Jesus.
Guys, I'm a diddle trap.
What's the capital of France?
Calm down.
La 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 la.
Something's coming in 3 days. Something's coming in 3 days.
Oh my god, the Verity reference. Oh my god, the Verity reference. The Verity reference, dude.
Okay.
Verity's lucky popping off a lot. I watched it, and it's honestly pretty dang good. Everybody watching should go watch
Okay,
it.
that's not strawberry. That's not
and
strawberry. That's not
subscribe to the guy
strawberry.
that made
That
it.
was not strawberry. The monsters
What am I
can get
saying?
on the airplane.
I'm
I
Prince
repeat,
Baboon
the
and I'm
monsters
talking
can
about
get on the
Minecraft.
airplane. I've seen
The
it with
hell?
my own 2 eyes.
Why the hell am I talking about Minecraft? Go. My skills are horrible. I'm so sorry. Okay. I just got up here for nothing. Oh, damn it.
Alrighty, who's gonna sacrifice themselves to the monsters?
What do you
Just
mean
to make a
sacrifice?
ghost?
Hey guys.
I'm not
Wait.
sacrifice.
Oh, they can come
Yeah,
from.
we know what.
This is where they come
Yeah,
from,
we
I'm
know
pretty
you
sure.
can do that.
Come here, boy!
Oh, it's it!
Helicopter!
Hey guys.
I'm
here, boy!
I'm fast even when I'm one-handed. Watch.
Go. Hey.
Hold up. Pink. Not trying to flex or
Wait, wanna
anything,
do a
but
one-hand race?
I'm not trying to flex or
race?
anything, but
Hey, I'm gonna kill you.
I'm not that good, but I don't fucking know.
I'm catching up to you.
Boy!
We're not catching up.
Wait, I have a new skill on running.
You're on YouTube, by the way. You're on YouTube.
This kid is being a bully. Hi. Oh, damn. Watch this.
Oh, if they don't come for me, myself is insane if they don't come for me. I'm right next to them. What is this stuff?
Circle ants! Circle ants!
Oh.
Whoa. Yo,
It's not.
what the fuck? When?
Oh. Oh. Loki, I want to see the jump scare for this guy. Oh, that is loud.
Bro, they now have Crystal Islet. Have you heard that they now have Crystal
That
Islet?
was so loud. Jesus.
It's Crystal. First of all, it's Crystal Island, and yes, one floor.
Hold on, Loki.
I
gonna get this in front of us.
place. That's what I'm looking for.
Come here, Mom.
So like the hell not.
Come here. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness.
No. What just happened? No. That's pitch climb. That's pitch climb. That's pitch climb. Let's go to the top floor.
No. Where are they? Oh. Can I throw it? Oh. So I am meant to throw it, I guess. Is this a sign that says Baboon Hospital? Hold up, let me just. What am I doing? I can just. It is. Damn, this is dirty. Lucky I need to. Well, I'm just claiming it. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube.
Oh, hiya, pal. You're not pushing me. What?
Oh, bye bye. You're on YouTube.
Okay.
Subscribe where he gets it.
I do YouTube too. Subscribe while I get it.
Water. Bye bye. That guy's cool. If anybody knows his channel, then subscribe to him. I don't know.
I was there when that incident.
Oh! Where are they? They just killed so many people.
Go back there.
Well, I guess that answers your question.
Buddy said monster.
Oh my! That's somebody's name.
I was there when the incidents happened. Where's my friend? Where's my friend? There it is. Where are you? Right there. I'm coming up, back up to the floor. I was there when Verity, there you are. I found it. Isn't that? I don't remember. That's Whizbang. Whizbang. Verity. Yeah, Whizbang. Guys, you didn't remember me. It was Whizbang.
I don't even know where I'm
Yeah,
going.
because Whizbang, I feel like that would have done it.
Oh!
Hello? I mean,
Hi there! No, I don't.
I can't wait for so let's go up to the top. Oh, it was the monster happened. No, the helicopter. It's broken.
I'm the king of the world! What is... Wait, what is that? What is... Wait, that... Is that city? Loki, I'm gonna just try that for the funsies. Wait, hold up. I'm backing up! Okay, every single monster is frozen, I guess?
No, I'm not.
Oh, I'm gonna try going to... Wait,
Yo,
can I...
get me a boombox?
Yo! What is this document? Toxic sewers. I can go through the sewers. I'm gonna just go to them. Whoa! This is so much more different. This is so much more different. Dude, this is so much more different than what I remember. It used to just be like a simple drain pipe that you went through and
Everyone get a boat.
the monsters. Oh my god, who was that? I just hit an headshot. no.
¿Ok?
Dude, he's so quiet.
Oye, pero ¿cómo se escuchan mis gritos?
Oh, oh my god.
Wait a minute.
Who are you? Oh, you're the
Oh, damn.
I'm not dying today, boys.
Yeah, he kind of looked like this, but it was way smaller. It was way more creepy.
Oh my gosh, I messed up.
Was so loud. Jesus. Oh, I low-key need.
Mi bate
I kind of need a flashlight. What is that? Is that blue? That's what I'm before.
He's a tickler.
Go.
That.
He's a what?
Pinche monstruo todo tonto, feo.
Oh God, I'm scared. Oh! I got it. Die.
No. You were the tickler.
Go!
Hasta mañana.
Pew.
No, hasta
Okay,
mañana.
boys, let's go tickle.
Guys, I'm sorry because my VR is about to die and I just want to make this video. I'm gonna random. But I heard the shop was chain. Why is there nothing here? Whoa! This is so new. This looks so cool. Beanie? Oh, no, that's... What? Okay, I'm gonna just check out the new cosmetics first and then check out all the other new ones. Have garbage. This Loki looks like the Backrooms mask. Jesse. Superman. Dad. Mouse. Is that a soda can? Vol. Why would you want? What is? What the heck? Okay, there's just so much. Oh my god. Okay, student. That's dirty. Whatever the hell that is. That's also new. That looks so cool. Okay, whatever that is. Mustache. Stop sign. Dad. Needles. Wires. Backpack that is like the Harvey thing. I forgot his name. Nurse hat. Nurse suit. Brain. Caution things on arms. Headband. Head cast. Bandage. And bandages are on arms. Okay, I need to check out what this ice thing is over here. There's so much. What? Magula's secret ice cream shop. What? Me-Man keychain. Earrings. Baboon. We have gloves, I think. SB hat. SB stands for Scare Baboon. We have this hat thingy, I forgot its name. Let's go back. That shop's really cool. Is there any other secret shops I can go to? Volcano? Pretty much nature stuff over there, I guess. There's another one. There's another mirror? Doesn't even... Oh! This is the shop mirror. We have like 5 mirrors now. What the hell? Palette thingy on arm. Oh, I need to get that. That matches so much with Dream Core. It's him. My favorite TikTok scare baboon creator. He's a really cool guy if you have TikTok. Scream. I forgot this hat's name. I'm guessing this says scare baboon and the art thingy. What's the name again? Clock. Angry. Paint on everything. Pixelated time. So, yay. Good. Very cool guy. YouTuber creator. Girl store, boy store. I'm not checking this out, I'm sorry. We have a hoodie. That is really cool. Another hoodie and this thing. Is that boy's hair? Shocked eyes. Cool pixel watch. Let's check out, KJ1 store now. We have, is that white? Or, no, that's a boombox on your arm. A cap. With another boom. Why are there so many boomboxes? Hat. What is it? Soccer hat, yeah. KJ1 thing, or hoodie. Meat Man suit. I am Meat Man. Wait, so these are all the same thing, but over here. So I guess that is probably white. We have Black Goo Goo. Yeah. Hat. Over. Hoodie. Purple hoodie. This King bundle is really cool. Toy store. Toy Story. Cardboard. Sword. Toy Story reference, maybe? Oh, this would be a great thing for Halloween. Baboon suit. Cardboard suit. Banana. With some blood on it. Hell no. Army hat. Dinosaur. Cardboard. Cardboard watch. Is that everything here? This is a really cool new store. And there's more. There's another secret room. I see it. Hold up. What the heck? This is honestly kind of scary. What the hell? No, that's honestly kind of scary. I can't lie, that is kind of scary. Let me get up here though to see like if there's any other secret rooms. It's honestly like really scary just being in a scary baboon lobby alone. So can I go? Oh, that just leads here again. So there's another document about this guy. Wait, is that the monster from Be the Monster? Or is that another monster that's new? Probably a new monster, and I have never seen it before. Okay. But thank you guys for watching. This update's really cool. If you have a VR, go check it out now. I love this update. See ya. Goodbye. Like and subscribe, and yeah, goodbye, I guess. Whatever. Bye.